is Z. Okay, this is the Z letter. Capital Z and lowercase z. Again, quite an uncommon letter. You won't see it too often in words usually, but there are some words that use it, okay? And the sound it makes is z, 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 z. Okay, so your tongue and teeth and mouth are all quite close together for this one. Z, okay, z. Okay, so let's find some words which make the z sound. Okay, so here we have zoo as the first one. Zoo, z, oo. Zoo, z, oo, zoo. Okay, I go to the zoo to see some exotic animals. Z, oo, zoo. Okay, obviously we have 3 letters here. 1, 2, 3. 3 letters and 2 sounds. 1, 2, z, oo, 1, 2. 2 sounds and 3 letters. You might find this animal in a zoo, or if not, you'll probably find it in Africa. Zebra, okay? Zebra. Z, e, b, r, a. Zebra. Z, e, b, r, a. Zebra, okay? Zebra. Z, e, b, r, a. Zebra. I saw a zebra in the zoo, okay? I saw a zebra in the zoo, okay? Z, e, b, r, a. Zebra. 5 letters, 5 sounds there. Okay, and going on to a long word with the z sound in it, which is trapeze, okay? Trapeze. T, r, or tr, a, p, e, z. Trapeze, okay? Trapeze. So the e is joining the e here to make the e sound, and z is the last sound that we pronounce in this word, okay? So trap, 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 ease, trapeze. We're saying the t and r quite quickly together. We're blending them together. They are adjacent consonants, so it's trap, trap. So you split the word as well. We can split the word into sections. Trap, ease, trapeze. I went to the circus and I saw some gymnasts using a trapeze. That could be a sentence, okay? Trapeze. Okay, so let's go through them all again. Remember, say it with me at home, that would be great. Z, zoo, z, oo, zoo. Zebra, z, e, b, r, a. Zebra. And trapeze. Trap, ease, trapeze. Okay, for watching today, please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.